Your job is to create great content that audiences love. Our job is to make earning money from it effortless, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Now it's even easier with auto ads. Auto ads help save you time and grow your earnings, placing ads where they'll perform best to give you a new, additional revenue stream. Customize auto ads according to your site's needs. Customize ad formats to suit your content. Use the ad load control to choose how many auto ads are shown on your pages. Any ad placements you don't like? Just remove them with a click. You can also exclude specific pages or entire sections if you don't want to show auto ads on them. Plus, you can easily see auto ads and manual ad units' performance side by side for each of your sites without detailed reporting. Auto ads are easy to set up. They work with your existing AdSense code, so there's no need to make any changes to your site. Just visit your AdSense account and use the toggles to turn on auto ads. Then use the ad settings preview to check how your site looks before the ads go live. Ready? Choose Ads. Select which site you want to turn on auto ads for and click to set up. Preview how ads look on your site. Customize them using the settings. Click Apply to Site. And let Google take care of the rest. It's that easy to start earning money from your content with AdSense Auto Ads. Try it today.